Everyone has tried their incredible cookies and has wondered how they're made. Well, wonder no more. Today, we will be making Starbucks famous cookies at home. To start, we will add 1 3/4 cup of butter to a mixing bowl. Next, cream together until smooth. If you like making famous restaurant recipes at home, don't forget to subscribe so you can make sure to see all future recipes. To that, we will add 3 large eggs and whisk together to combine. For our sugar, we will start with 1 1/4 cups granulated sugar. Send that straight through a sifter to ensure no hard crystals inside. Then, we will add 3/4 cup brown sugar and once again through a sifter. Next, we will add 2 teaspoons of salt. To help our cookies rise, we will add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. For our flour, we will use 5 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Quick note, hold your sifter so it doesn't fall into your dough. Then enjoy the satisfying result of your sifted flour. Start mixing in your flour by hand. Once a dough has formed, add in 3 cups of chocolate chips and mix again. We will now line a baking tray with parchment paper and scoop our cookie dough using an ice cream scooper. We will then bake for 14 to 16 minutes until the center is almost done, rotating halfway through. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'd probably enjoy the video that just popped up on the left side of your screen. So give it a watch. Enjoy!